all of you all for this Sunday morning session. We can put the spotlight on me, Ruchikar. Uh, so Sunday morning, our regular Bhagavatam lecture. Right now, we are in the series of stories from Bhagavatam, and what do we learn from that is more important for us. So, looking at all this situation of our KPL and all, we were a little busy. So, but still, we got a nice. I can say a turnout and a review from the Facebook. A lot of people attended the KPL and they all enjoyed it very much. So today, from the Bhagavatam, we'll be taking the story of King Nriga. So all of you all must be saying, "Oh, bro, yeah, we know the story of King Nriga. It's very, we studied it well in detail." A few may say, I don't know the story. So let's understand the story of King Nriga, and from that, what do we benefit from that is more important. What do we learn from that is more important. So before I start, I would like to ask who all know, I've heard, other than those who are participating in the KPL, who all know about the story of King Nriga? Has anybody heard of the story of King Nriga? Darshan, have you heard?
No, Prabhuji.
No. Okay. Fine. Okay. Nobody else have heard about the story. So it will be a new story for most of the people, except for those who are participating in the KPL, they will know it. Yeah, you will know because you are participating in KPL, no?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So I said, other than those who are participating in KPL, I wanted to know. Okay, nevertheless, fine. We'll start with the story. Uh, Rajeshwara Prabhu, are you there? Rajeshwara Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhuji, I'm there.
Yeah,
But
so
phone थोड़ा
please,
दूर है.
no, you will have to keep on admitting people because now I'm starting the session. I won't be able to admit people inside. So you
Okay, Prabhuji.
and
Okay.
Shivdat both have to look after that. Okay, that will be your important focus of today's class. Okay, first and foremost, how many of you all agree or know that or have the understanding of doing good activities? क्या होगा good activities करके क्या मिलने वाला है? What do we get by doing good activities? Yes, Darshan, tell me, what do you know about doing good activities? What do you understand by doing good activities? What is the benefit? और अच्छा काम किसे कहते हैं?
Uh, Good activities is not harming anyone.
Okay.
Probably कर्म अच्छे करके be in good books of the Lord.
अच्छा, कर्म
Basically,
अच्छे
good
करने.
activities, I'll say, whichever
हाँ.
activity is not harming anyone.
Okay, so अच्छे कर्म करेंगे तो भगवान के गुड बुक्स में रहेंगे, ऐसा कौन कहता है?
बेसिकली भगवान का तो नहीं पता, बट अगर ये क्लास
मतलब
अटेंड कर रहा हूँ तो आई कैन से कि कर्म अच्छे हो रहे हैं, सो इट हेल्प्स समवेयर.
नो, माय क्वेश्चन इज, अगर हम अच्छे कर्म कर रहे हैं तो क्या इज लॉर्ड इनकेपेबल ऑफ डूइंग गुड कर्मस? ओनली दैट्स व्हाई ही हैज केप्ट हायर अथॉरिटीज लाइक अस टू डू गुड कर्मस. इज ही इनकेपेबल ऑफ डूइंग गुड कर्मस? Okay, I pass this question to Karuna Mataji. Karuna Mataji,
He is not incapable.
huh. Then why does he want you to do that and so that you can come in his good books? He likes maska polish. What does he want? What is the purpose of doing that? Okay, Karuna Mataji, what do you like to say for this?
I think it is only the channel God uses us to do good things.
That's why I'm saying, why would he use you? Why is he incapable of doing it?
No, he is not incapable of doing it.
Suppose there is a poor man, you're feeding a poor man who is not having food, who is not having money. You're giving him 50 rupees or 100 rupees and telling him, बच्चे को खाना खिलाओ, आपने आप खाना खा लो. Yeah, you saw a very thirsty person, you give him water. So what is the need for you to do that? Why is God incapable? Or why you want to be in the good books? Why you want to do this activity? That's my question.
This thought comes only because of our previous karmas. When we see many people hungry. All don't feel like during
See,
COVID time also.
seeing others, Mataji, we get diverted. Huh? Now we see today, nowadays, it's too much of gay marriages, LGBT issues. So you get inspired by that or what?
No,
All that nonsense, does it inspire?
no. I feel when
Hmm.
we help anyone, it is only
Hmm.
through God. God has sent us, and it is only we are the channel.
Okay.
He wants us to be only a channel to do good things.
Okay.
That is why
Any?
He brings that thought also in our mind.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Acha.
nobody, everybody doesn't get that good do good things. That thoughts also. That is
Okay.
what I feel.
Fantastic. Yes, Samir Prabhu, what do you like to add for this? First, I want some people to come up with answers. Okay. It's going to be an interactive class. It's not going to be a one-sided class. Yeah. Samir Prabhu, tell me.
नहीं प्रभु जी, यानी उसमें यानी कुछ ऐड नहीं कर पाऊंगा मैं.
यही सोच में तो दुनिया अटकी पड़ी है. What am I supposed to do and what I'm not supposed to do? What is a good karma and what is a bad karma? How do we understand that? That's the problem.
किसी का बुरा नहीं सोचना चाहिए, बस उतना ही एक है कि वही होना चाहिए अपने दिमाग में हमेशा.
अच्छा.
कि भाई
और अगर आपको रास्ते में एक गरीब आदमी मिला, बहुत भूखा है, खाना मांग रहा है और आपकी जेब में काफी सारे पैसे हैं, तो आप उसको खिलाओगे या नहीं?
खिलाने का प्रभु जी, अगर
खिलाने
अपने से
का.
हो सकता है तो
क्यों?
कर देने का.
हाँ.
नहीं हो सकता है तो उसके लिए कुछ ऐसा कुछ और सोचने का जरूरत नहीं है ऐसा
आपको
ज्यादा.
मालूम है बॉम्बे में कितने
हाँ
लाख
नहीं नहीं
भिखारी
यानी
हैं?
ऐसा
नहीं
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 कर
नहीं नहीं, एक मिनट, मैं
हाँ,
क्या पूछ रहा हूँ, आपको मालूम है बॉम्बे में कितने लाख भिखारी हैं?
वो तो यानी देयर इज
तो
ऑलटुगेदर.
दया एक पे करना और बाकी पे ना करना, वो भी अत्याचार है ना?
हाँ प्रभु जी एकदम.
Do you have the guts and the money power to feed all the beggars in Mumbai?
नहीं 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 प्रभु जी,
I'm just talking of Mumbai. I'm not talking of India also. I'm not talking
नहीं
of
नहीं नहीं.
Maharashtra also. I'm not talking of any other state. I'm just talking of Mumbai. चल, let's say Western line. Central line भी नहीं गिनता हूँ. Western line का गिनता हूँ.
बरोबर है ब्रो. नहीं नहीं वो तो वो वैसा ही है प्रभु जी, वैसे ही का भी नहीं कर सकते,
हाँ,
वैसा वैसा भी है
वैसे
यानी
तो
उधर तक तो बहुत दूर की बात.
तो क्या
हाँ.
ऊपर वाला बायस है क्या? एक को खिलाता है, एक को नहीं खिला रहा है. That's what we are going to understand. This is the story of King Nirga. King Nirga was a very, very pious king. Actually, the story in Bhagavatam starts in a very funny manner. Once Krishna's son, Samba, and his grandchildren and all, they were playing and they wanted to go to the forest for some picnic. So they all went to picnic and Krishna also went with them. In the forest, the children were feeling thirsty. They wanted to drink water. So they were wondering where to get water. क्या है ना, उस जमाने में there were no bottled bottles, no Bisleri and all that was not available that time, and they were in the midst of the jungle. So what they decided was, we'll search for water. And while searching, they saw a well. But the problem was the well was dried up. But when the children looked inside the well, they saw an abnormally huge lizard. An abnormally huge lizard inside the well. So the children were, tried. They were also good people like you. So they tried to pull the lizard out. The lizard could not come out. So immediately the children running to Krishna. I said, please come. There is a very funny or rare lizard in this dry well, and you come and see. So Krishna also, as if he knows nothing. That's one of his pastimes. He acted as if he doesn't know anything, and he came over there. And when he saw the lizard, with little effort, he just pulled the lizard out. And as soon as Krishna touched the lizard turned out to be a beautiful, handsome, heavenly personality. He had a beautiful, nice crown, and always he was looking fantastic. And he immediately bowed down in front of Lord Krishna. So Krishna, as usual, Krishna does many things just to give us a lesson, so that we understand the things. It's not that Krishna doesn't know anything. He was so dumb that he could not know. Oh, you are, Krishna asked, as if he didn't know anybody. He didn't know that personality. So who are you? What is your story? Please tell me. All of us are shaken up. So that time, the great personality fell down at his feet and said, Lord, you know everything, but this, for teaching others, you are asking me this, I'll definitely tell you my story. Immediately, the king fell down at Lord's feet and he started narrating his story. He said, I am King Nriga. And then he started telling about his greatness. What was his greatness was the amount of charity he had done in his lifetime was uncountable. In fact, he said, you can count all the grains of sand in this earth. Mind you, what he's saying, you can count all the grains of sand in this earth, but you cannot count the number of charitable or good things which I have done in my life. When he said this, Krishna was looking at him. Said, you are a super soul, you know everything. Why are you asking me this question? I said, no, I know you are telling what you're telling is true. But what good activity did you do? So much of good activity, what did you do? They said, I used to give all the people, Brahmanas especially, daily donation of cow, land, Brahmana wives, and and the cows used to be fully decorated. It's not just a cow with calf with horns with gold plated and nicely decorated cows with jewelry and all milking cows. So yeah, I've given all that, and not in one and two. I've given in thousands, thousands. So that's why I asked this question. What was the purpose, or what is the purpose of doing all these good activities? I would like to know about that first. What is the purpose of doing all these good activities? Yes, Karuna Mataji, what do you think? What is the purpose of doing all these good activities?
No, I don't have the answer. Means I don't know.
नहीं, अगर आपको good activity करना चाहते हैं, you said
हाँ,
Lord inspires you from inside.
yeah,
Huh?
yeah.
So what is the
Hmm.
purpose of doing all this?
Purpose is if God has given us something and we can give somebody, then we should share. That may be also a purpose.
Maybe. Okay, fine. Yes, Ragini Mataji, what do you think is the purpose? I can't hear you, Mataji.
There will be a lot of noise on my part.
Okay.
I personally feel that we want to add a lot of good karmas in our account. We are not very pious souls. उनकी तरह तो हम इतने अच्छे नहीं है कि we will forget everything. Somewhere we want to get in return, or I don't have much answer for this.
इतना सब बोलने के बाद I don't have much answer. Yes, Darshan Prabhu, tell me. अगर आपके पास 100 करोड़ रुपए आ जाएंगे तो आप कितना डोनेशन में देंगे, पहले बोलिए. Darshan, where are you? Lost? This is a big problem in Zoom lecture.
No, Prabhuji, I am actually driving. Give me some 10
Every
minutes.
Sunday, I don't know. It's like, you remind me of a Sardarji joke we used to listen in our childhood days.
No, Prabhuji, this is the time I have some work every Sunday.
Yeah, that's what I said. It reminds me of a Sardarji joke which I used to listen in my childhood days. There was one person who was going on the road, and when he saw a banana plankton, he just banged his head. Hi. क्या हो गया? अरे वो देखो केले का छिलका है. मतलब क्यों केले का छिलका क्यों है? बोले क्या हो गया, उससे क्या हो गया, प्रॉब्लम क्या है, रास्ते में केले का छिलका होने से क्या प्रॉब्लम है? नहीं, आज फिर गिरना पड़ेगा ना मुझे. It is like that.
Prabhuji, I mean it. Every Sunday there's a problem. This time only.
That's a problem. I said that's the challenge you have to face. Okay, tell me, by the way, if you get 100 crores, how much money you will be planning to donate and to whom? Accordingly, people will be ready. That's why it's a live session.
Before attending these sessions, I would say only a part of it, maybe 8%, 2%. But after hearing this, after being through these sessions and hearing you every time and choosing this path, मैं शायद सब दे दूं, whatever I can help.
Don't tell me. Everyone will
Believe
leave
me,
the
believe
class.
me. My
Hey, everyone
mindset.
will leave the class and be outstanding outside your house.
No, Prabhuji, it may sound wrong or may sound some hypothetical, but believe me, जितना help कर सकूं life में वो करूंगा.
Okay. क्यों करोगे प्रभु?
Because what I have went through in my lifespan, अगर किसी कोई मेरी मदद ना करता तो शायद मैं आगे ना बढ़ सकता. Though God is doing it, ये कोई सब निमित्त है. But मैं चाहूंगा कि जो जेन्युइन पर्सन अटका हुआ है उसको कोई ना कोई सहारा चाहिए. तो अगर मैं निमित्त बन सका कोई कारण सर, so I'll definitely do it.
Without touching any details, Prabhu, how many of us fall into problems because of our own wrong decisions?
All of us fall into problems for themselves, so they are blamed.
The blame
खुद ही
goes to
blame करना.
themselves, right?
Yeah. True,
So
Prabhu.
then where is the question of, I have fallen trouble, that even if that Mr. XYZ falls into trouble, I'll help him out and I will be of some use to him. Does it make sense, Raish Prabhu? I mean, Darshan Prabhu?
No, Prabhu ji, it doesn't make sense because ऊपर वाले की मर्जी के पिला कुछ नहीं होगा. But at least वो thought करके अगर कुछ कर सकूं तो why not?
Generally, people do all these so-called dan, punya, and all that, falana din mein amavasya din karna chahiye, ye din karna chahiye, and grahan ka din dan karna chahiye, and all that. What does this? This all comes in an activity which is called as karma kand activity. What is karma kand? I'm taking all this, mind you, I'm preparing you all for the exam which is around the corner. Might be within 1.5 months there is the exam. So all this will come in the question paper. So if you are not able to pass, I'm sorry, we will not be starting your Bhagavad Gita class. Your detailed Bhagavad Gita class will start only after the basic concepts are clear. So that is why I am very particular in mentioning this line, that please listen to that strictly so that you are able to answer the question paper properly. Mind you, there are no written notes. All what you hear attentively gets registered in your mind. That's the secret. So this is called as karma kanda, wherein you do an activity by which you expect to either be in some good books of the God or expect some favor in return. And what favors will you get in return? And how much of favor will you get in return? Simple. The amount of karma you are doing, equal to that, you will get the favors. Am I right or am I wrong? या वो गाना है ना, वो एक फेमस भिखारी का गाना था, तुम एक रुपया दोगे 10 लाख मिलेगा, 10 लाख देगा, है समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. सो ऐसा होगा या समथिंग एल्स? आई वुड लाइक टू नो. Yes, other people, nobody is speaking. Yes, Namrata Mataji. Samir, I'll come once again. Namrata Bhatia Mataji. Yes, what do you think, Mataji? You have to unmute yourself first before you speak. तो आप थोड़ा पुण्य कार्य करोगे.
प्रभु जी.
Yes, Mataji. Tell me.
प्रभु जी, जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि we need to do good deeds in our life to gain God's mercy.
हाँ, तो वही God's mercy क्यों चाहिए? God's mercy क्यों चाहिए? My question is that let's have that clarity first in our life. We are here to, no, Prabhuji, I'll read the Bhagavad Gita, I'll read the Vedas, I'll read this and read that. But first have the basic clarity. Why are we doing this basic activities? Just because our elders are doing it, or is there any technical reason behind it? And if they were doing it, why were they fools?
We are doing because of get out of the cycle of birth and death.
I'll come to you later. Yes, Karuna Mataji, answer me.
In theory of karmas, we always read and listen is कि हम जैसे कर्म करेंगे हमारे को वैसे ही वापस मिलेगा. So if we do good deeds, then we feel कि हमारे good deeds हमको जो back आएंगे वो अच्छा ही लेके आएंगे.
Note this point of yours. Very nice point. How many of you agree with this point? Come on, raise your hands. fast. How many of you agree with this? कोई agree नहीं कर रहा है? Okay, रागिनी माता जी, नम्रता माता जी, विद्या माता जी, fine. बस 3 जन. बाकी 30 थ्रू में से 3 जन, बाकी लोग मालूम नहीं. Could be, could not be. Yeah, is it wrong? How many people say this is wrong?
Prabhuji, is this something related to the law of karma? Whenever you do good, good comes back to you, and when you do something bad, bad comes to you.
How and who decides what comes back to you is good or bad?
Prabhuji, can I say something?
Yes, Mataji. 1 second. Before you say, okay, you speak first. Chalo. By the way, where are you traveling, Mataji? Ragini Mataji, where are you traveling?
Prabhuji, I am coming back from Vrindavan. I've been to a wedding, and over there I have a darshan also. Bhakya Bihari Ji Mandir and Radha.
That is the end of Vrindavan. For people who don't go with Yatra devotees, for them, Vrindavan starts with Bhakya Bihari and ends with Bhakya Bihari. That's it. Anyhow, you had darshan. That's very nice. So at least that is the mercy of God that you could go to Vrindavan. Otherwise, everyone cannot go. Is not lucky enough or blessed enough to go to Vrindavan. Yes, tell me, Mataji, what you wanted to add?
Prabhuji, one thing, nature is always giving, but we human beings are like we are not giving in nature. मतलब हम हमेशा कुछ देने से पहले भी सोचते हैं. पेड़ फ्रूट्स देता है, सब कुछ नेचर में बहुत कुछ देता है, बट हम पता नहीं क्यों हर चीज देने से पहले सोचते रहते हैं. तो शायद हम बहुत थोड़े से ही अच्छे कर्म कर पाते हैं.
एक मिनट माताजी, नेचर देता नहीं, हम नेचर से छीन लेते हैं. पेड़ में फल उग रहा है, you go and break it. It doesn't break and give it in a packet up in a bag and send it to your house or office. You go and pluck it. You go and pluck a flower. You go and it's everything is farming because there is commerce involved in it, money involved in it. Nature is going in its own way. Nature never involves, intervenes in anyone's life. Am I right or wrong, Ragini Mataji? I think signal is lost. Okay. Yes, Mataji. So, did you get the point? Nature doesn't give us, and nature is offering us everything. We go and take it because actually we are supposed to take it to survive. But nature is giving us enough to survive, but we hoard it. There's a small story. Once bullock cart full of, gunny bags full of grains were going. One gunny bag fell from the cart. So it broke and it spilled out some grains. So immediately some ants came, some birds came, they took few and they left off. But then suddenly on the same road a man came and he saw, oh, pura goni of rice, put it on his bag and he went away. You ever seen birds eating off all the thing in the grains in the bag? If a lion or a tiger, his stomach is full and he doesn't fear any danger from you, and you go and stand in front of him or dance in front of him, he will not attack you, provided his stomach is full. Human being is the only animal, even if your stomach is full up to the brim and someone offers you a nice ice cream or rasgulla or rasmalai or thing, even if you're up to the brim, thoda taste ke liye to main le leta hu. An animal will never do that. So by nature, human is greedy. He wants to acquire more things than what is actually required by a human being. There's always a fear factor. Kal ke liye karunga. Even a richest man who has got X crores, he says, no, I'll earn a couple of crores more for my son. Why? Is your son an nincompoop, fit for nothing? Can't he earn himself a bread? No, I'll do something for him. And what will he do if he is smart enough? No, I'll do for my grandson. But the law of karma, from this story, you will understand the law of karma. So as, yes, I was to talk to Samir Prabhuji. Samir Prabhu, yes, tell me your point. Samir Trivedi?
हाँ प्रभु जी।
यस प्रभु जी, आप बोलना चाहते थे, बोलिए अभी।
नहीं मैडम बोलना चाहती थी।
हाँ बोलिए ना, मैडम को दो, मैडम को बोलना दो।
कर्म માટે लॉ ऑफ कर्म।
हाँ माता जी बोलिए।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी। लॉ ऑफ कर्मा।
प्रभु जी मतलब कर्म के बारे में बोलना है या हम ये सब क्यों करते हैं उसके लिए बोलना है?
हाँ, ये आपको जो जो पसंद है वो बोलिए, नो प्रॉब्लम।
नहीं प्रभु जी,
हम क्यों
क्योंकि
कर रहे हैं, मेरा सवाल तो यही था कि हम क्यों कर रहे हैं ये सब कार्य, इसके पीछे कार्य क्या है, मतलब मकसद क्या है?
प्रभु जी मुझे तो लगता है कि सबसे पहले तो अगर हम अच्छा काम करते हैं तो हमारे मन को ही शांति मिलती है।
वेरी गुड।
तो सबसे पहला रीजन तो वही है कि मन शांत रहेगा तो ही हम अच्छे से खुश रह पाएंगे।
मन शांत
हमारी
क्यों,
जिंदगी
मन शांत क्यों होता है? दैट इज माय क्वेश्चन। मन शांत रहता है ये ठीक, मैंने मान लिया आपका बात, बट क्यों होता है? लेट्स हैव अ लॉजिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग टू दिस थिंग्स, राइट? सपोज आपने गरीब भिखारी को कुछ दिया, उसने बोला क्या मैडम इतना अच्छा कपड़ा पहने हैं, 5 रुपए दे रहे हो, कम से कम 10 देना चाहिए था, तब आपका मन शांत हो जाता है या शांत हो जाता है?
नहीं प्रभु जी, तब गुस्सा आता है।
तो फिर देने से शांति आना चाहिए, वो अशांत, नहीं नहीं मैं अब शांत हूँ तो कुछ भी बोलेगा मुझे चलेगा। Am I making sense माता जी?
सही बात है प्रभु जी।
ओके, यस नम्रता माता जी बोलिए।
Prabhu ji, I don't know I'm right or no. It's just a thought which came. When we are doing something good for others और हम किसी का भला करते हैं in any of the way, तो उसके दिल से जो मतलब दुआ निकलती है या ब्लेसिंग निकलती है।
Sorry for my laughter. I'll tell you, I'm sorry, I'll cut you right here and I'll share a joke with you before. Sorry, just hold on, I'll come back to you. Just hold on. I'd like to share a joke. I just remember, I mean, it just struck me. There's a joke, a boy was taught, which, few children, there are always, what is that, value education, or what they call as community living. When we were small, we used to have a subject called community living. So, they teach you how to cross a blind man across the road and all that stuff. So one boy was late to the school the next day, and the school was supposed to start at 7 and he reached at around 9. So he was sent to the principal. The principal asked him, why you're late? I'm going to complain to your mother. No, I got late because of you all only. What you all taught me, because of that I got late. No, how? What happened? He said, yesterday only you taught me I have to cross a blind man, and I saw a ground blind man on the road and I crossed him. Okay, that takes 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Why you're late for 2 hours? He didn't want to cross the road. I was forcing to cross him across the road, and that's why I got late. So it's like this. Namrata Mataji, when you said na कि भाई हम कार्य करते हैं जिससे दूसरे को खुशी मिलेगी, कैसे पता चलता है? Suppose एक big, every man, it's said one man's meat is the other man's poison. Okay, like I still remember. Rajesh Prabhu, are you there?
Ji Prabhuji.
No, it's not Shaurya. 1 minute. Just Shaurya. Just hold on. I'm asking for Rajesh Rohra Prabhu. Is he there or not?
प्रभु जी, I'm there. यहाँ पे बहुत कंस्ट्रक्शन का आवाज चालू है, कुछ मेरे को लेक्चर भी कम कम सुनाई दे रहे हैं।
अरे बाप रे, अभी मैं ज्यादा चिल्ला नहीं सकता हूँ, फोन आपके कान के पास रखना, ठीक है? He is one personality who likes करेले का सब्जी very much. So if someone is giving karele ka sabji, he will love to eat, right? Rajesh Rohra Prabhu, you love to eat karele ka sabji? Yes,
100%.
How many, Namrata Mataji, would you like karela ka sabji very much? Be honest.
I don't like it that much, but I don't mind eating it. I mean, I'm okay with it.
That is a different thing. But honestly speaking, at least a person like me, I'm honest, I don't like. Literally, I don't like. Just have a couple of morsels and that's it. That's the only thing, vegetable, which I have told my wife the very first day when I got married. You can cook anything on this world, but not karela. That's the only thing. Okay. That was the first statement I told my wife. So the point what I'm trying to make over here is, if someone gives donation, let's say pencil, milk, or anything for that extent, सामने वाले को पसंद आएगा, इसका गारंटी क्या है? उसको पसंद नहीं आया तो, और उसने गालियां दी तो Mataji, you just mentioned, Karuna Mataji and Namrata Mataji, you get what you have given. You have given dislike, so will you get dislike back? Am I making sense? You have given with a good heart. I don't say that you have given with a bad heart. You have given with a good heart. But सामने वाले को पसंद नहीं आया तो yes Shaurya, what do you like to say?
Good morning प्रभु जी.
Krishna प्रभु, good morning.
हरे कृष्णा. आप मेरे को एक ही चीज समझ में आती है प्रभु जी. पहले तो मैं बहुत मदद करता था लोगों की अपने हिसाब से, जैसे आपने बताया करेला नहीं, और बट इसका मैं एग्जांपल दूंगा कि वैसे तो ठीक है कोरोना में सबको इतना परेशानी है, बट एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. अगर आप एक बिल्ली के बच्चे को घर में उठा के लेके आते हो, आप सोचते हो आप उसको डॉक्टर के पास लेके इंजेक्शन दे दिया, उसको ऑपरेशन करा दिया, बट क्या वो खुश है? आपको लग रहा है कि वो खुश है, आपने उसको खाना दिया और आपने उसको डोमेस्टिकेट कर दिया, बट वो खुश है. ऐसे ही अगर आप किसी की मदद करेंगे, बट अगर वो, और मैंने खुद देखा है, मैंने खाना दिया और वो शाम को खाना बेच के वो उसका पति दारू पी रहा है, तो बेसिकली फिर मैंने जब आपसे बाद में पूछा था, एक मेरे को याद आई अभी बात, मेरे को उसका आंसर नहीं आ रहा था. जब मेरी अभी जॉब लगी थी तब आपने मेरे को यही बताया था कि कृष्णा ने, ये भी हो सकता है कि कृष्णा ने आपकी जॉब इसलिए लगाई है अच्छी कि अब आपको बाकी चीजों की टेंशन ना करनी पड़े.
बिल्कुल.
तो अगर आपके पास अगर पैसा आ रहा है तो आप अगर कृष्णा भक्ति में ही लगते हैं,
राइट,
दूसरों की मदद भी करनी है अगर, तो उनको इसी राह पे दिखाएं रादर देन कि अलग से पैसा या कुछ दान डोनेशन, बिकॉज उसका पता नहीं वो क्या यूज करेंगे.
Perfect.
पता नहीं आंसर कितना परफेक्ट है, बट दिस इज
It's a very good understanding for this level of the initial level. It's a perfect understanding, and what you have the crux what you have taken is very much true, because generally people want to do all this activity for only one thing. बचपन से हम लोग एक ही सुना है, अच्छा कर स्वर्ग में जाएगा, बुरा करेगा नरक में जाएगा. You do good, you go to heaven. You do bad, you go to hell. We have always been stuck between these two things. Before doing an activity, you do good. Wow, very nice, beta. You will go to heaven for this. But what the hell are you going to do in heaven? That's my question. Darshan Prabhu, what are you going to do in heaven? Darshan? Darshan Prabhu. Missing in action. Okay. Yes, Mataji, Ragini Mataji, tell me, what are you going to do in heaven? And how long are you going to be in heaven? You have to unmute yourself and speak, Ragini Mataji.
Prabhuji, my voice is audible?
Yeah, you're audible. You're audible.
On this, and you told that like we go to heaven, and then once our good karmas will be finished, and then we will be back to this earth Dukhale. So the reality is that now we don't want to go to heaven. We want to come out of the birth and death life cycle.
Very good. Very nice understanding. Anybody else would like to add to that? Anybody would like to add to that?
Prabhuji,
You also add. But your signal is very poor.
Prabhuji, we should not think of the of going to heaven or hell. We should do our karma according to
Okay. My point was different. You're answering me something different. Okay, Hemangi Mataji, now tell me. अच्छा लगता है, अच्छा लगने के बाद क्या होता है? हमने सुना तो ये स्वर्ग जाना है और वहां जाके अप्सराओं के साथ नाचना है और सोमरस पीना है, और क्या करना है?
प्रभु जी, हमारी दादी तो कहा करती थी गौलोक जाना है.
दादी कहती थी, मगर अगर आप ना स्वर्ग जाना है तो नरक जाना है, तो दान करके आपको अच्छा क्यों लग रहा है?
नहीं प्रभु जी, पता नहीं, वो तो मेरे तो नेचर में, मैं किसी को देखती हूँ तो मुझे वो हेल्प करना ही करना है. मुझे पता है, इनफैक्ट मुझे तो मेरे घर वाले भी बोलते हैं कि तुम्हें पता भी है तुम पैसे देते हो उसका क्या करते वो लोग. बट वो बच्चों को देख के पता नहीं वो दिमाग में ये नहीं रहता है फिर। इनफैक्ट मुझे खुद को मालूम है वो लोग उसका सही यूटिलाइजेशन करते ही नहीं है।
Please open Bhagavad Gita 18th chapter verse number 5. Bhagavad Gita 18th chapter verse number 5. Those who are having Bhagavad Gita can open their Bhagavad Gita 18th chapter verse number 5. Those who are not having, no problem, relax. Got it? Got the verse? सबको बस आ गया, वर्स आ गया? हेमांगी माता जी, आपको मिला वर्स भगवत गीता का? Chandrakant Prabhu, you got it? Please read the translation. Yagya tapa, yagya dana tapa cheva, trajayam na trajayam karyam eva tat. Yagya dana tapa teva pavanani manishyanam. Please read the translation.
Acts of sacrifice, charity, and penance are not to be given up. They must be performed. Indeed, sacrifice, charity, and penance purify even the great souls.
So, आप बोलेंगे प्रभु जी आप कुछ और बोल रहे हैं, भगवत गीता तो कुछ और बोल रही है. So before we understand this, as just now as Ragini Mataji and as Ragini Mataji said, we have to purify ourselves. But by doing all these type of good activities, so-called activities like charity, like taking care of poor people, feeding the poor, a number of activities are there. They are supposed to be good activities. They are supposed to be pious activities. But these pious activities, yes, as per the law of karma is, as you sow, so you reap. So what will you reap? आपने किसी को खाना खिलाया है तो उसके सामने आपको पुण्य मिलेगा. पुण्य कलेक्ट होने के बाद you are entitled to go to heaven. But how long will you be staying in heaven? As much of punyas you have done in your life, you will stay in heaven. Once the punyas are over, you have to vacate heaven. Heaven is like a resort, 2-night, 3-day package. When you go on a package, when you reach heaven, what happens? What happens when you reach to a resort? The waiter comes, takes your bag, comes and tells you, please come in. And you go inside, he gives you a room, he gives you a welcome drink, this, that, eat nicely. And after 2 days are over, third day, the same waiter comes. Sir, what time are you vacating? Starts ringing the bell. And in the end, he only comes and throws your bag out and says, bye-bye, your time is over. Your package is over. So heaven is like that. You are not in heaven forever. As you are not in hell forever, you are not in heaven also forever. But the problem is, generally, doing these type of activities, we feel that we are doing a great duty or a great job or something. Hey, even Lord has not taken care of this poor man. I have taken care of this. That person is poor because of his karmas. Today, parents are teaching the children, no, try to solve the problem. You have to teach the child. First, if you do bad things, one day you will also suffer like this. If you waste food today, tomorrow you will also be begging for food. That understanding has to be given to the child first. And then, yes, the Bhagavad Gita also says, Yagya, Dana, Tapa. These 3 activities you are supposed to do. Then let the child give some alms or donation to take care of the deceased person. But first, you have to explain to the child, why is he suffering? It is because of his past karmas, he is suffering. Today, if I have got a lot of food, I eat this much and I waste it. Rest I have full food, I throw it in the dustbin. What happens? Tomorrow, I will also be suffering for the want of that food. So with this attitude, if one does charity, it's good. But what the problem with Nriga was, King Nriga was giving it in the mode of passion. He was wanted name, fame. Said, "Itna punya kamaunga, itna punya kamaunga, life membership mil jayega mujhe heaven mein. I'll get life membership in heaven. I'll stay for a long, really long time in heaven." But what happened was, once he gave one Brahmana 1,000 cows, beautifully decorated with gold plating and nice dresses, and along with that, lot of grains and other paraphernalia he gave him. But sadly, one of the cows from the 1,000 cows which he had given to the Brahmana, one cow came back to his cowshed. So next day, when he was giving the cows as a donation, every day he used to give donations, he was giving another cow, 1,000 cows in donation to another Brahmana. But here the problem was, when he gave those donation to the other Brahmana, the earlier Brahmana to whom he had given earlier, he came and started fighting. He said, "You have taken away my cow, give it back to me." His statement was justified because one of his cows had come back to the king's cowshed. So the king said, "Oh, I have already given this cow to this other Brahmana. What can I do? I'll give you another cow for that." He said, No. I want that very cow." When he said that, he asked the other Brahmana to whom he had just given the cows, "Why don't you give this cow to that Brahmana? I'll give you another cow." "Why one cow? I'll give you 100 cows. I'll give you 1,000 cows." He gave that much of barter incentives. But even this Brahmana said, No, I don't want those cows. I want my set of 1,000 cows. That's all. What you're given in charity. Fight is going on. Finally, both the Brahmanas were adamant that they wanted the cow. Finally, both the Brahmanas left the place cursing him. What happened? Both the Brahmanas left the place cursing him. For that, he landed up doing one sin against a Brahmana. And what was the result of that? Whole life, he kept on giving donation. It is said it's immense donations he had given. At the time of death, when he died, he went to the court of Yamaraj. Yamaraj said, "Yes, what do you want? You got literally endless time span in heaven. But for one sin you have committed." What is that sin? Just that cow unknowingly came back to his cowshed, which he gave it to the other Brahmana, and the earlier Brahmana fought with him, and both the Brahmanas finally got angry and they went away. So he was trying to satisfy the Brahmanas, but for one cow, they gave 1,000 cows. He gave them 1 lakh cows in exchange, but they were not ready. For that one cow, he had to face the music. So Yamaraj said, "You will have to go for that punishment, you will have to bear. What would you like to do? Suppose this question is asked to you, what would you do? Tell me. Suppose आपके ऊपर ये सवाल पूछा जाए तो आप क्या करेंगे, क्या चूज करेंगे? यस, रागिनी माता जी, आप क्या चूज करेंगे, बोलिए। या नम्रता माता जी, आप बोलिए, आप क्या चूज करेंगे?
प्रभु जी, I will go to heaven first.
You'll go to heaven, okay. क्यों नरक का बाद में नरक में मार, मतलब अच्छा खा पी के फिर मार खाएंगे क्या? स्वर्ग में अच्छा खा पी के मजा करके फिर नरक में पिटाई होगी, चलेगा?
प्रभु जी, you gave the answer what I remember.
Okay, you know that answer, fine. Yes, I want Namrata Mataji to give me the answer. Namrata Mataji, are you there? This is the biggest drawback in online classes. Yes, Karuna Mataji, आप क्या choose करेंगे?
I'll choose first Narak and then Swarg.
First Narak and then Swarg. Same way, you are thinking like King Nrga only. King Nrga also thought of the same thing. What did he say? He told Yamraj, Yamraj, I am ready to go to Naraka. So Yamraj said, fine, the choice is yours. You have won the toss. You can decide. It's like that. So he told him, okay, you fall. And he fell directly in that well in the forest of Dwarka as a big lizard. क्या गलती कर दिया उसने? अच्छे कार्य करने के चक्कर में छोटा सा गलती. In the whole life of King Nrga, he only did good activities. He was only giving donations and donations and donations, for which he was opted endless lifespan in heaven. But what is the end result? Where did he land up? Where he should have gone? So are we also not doing activities like that? हम कार्य कर रहे हैं, मन को अच्छा लग रहा है, अगर हम भगवान के पास नहीं भी गए तो कम से कम स्वर्ग में तो जाएंगे ही जाएंगे. No, Stepney, if the first option fails, the second option है ना. So ये हिसाब से हम लोग चल रहे हैं ना. Are we all not doing this foolish activity? So what is the way coming out? Okay, my question to you all is, for example, you're sitting in your car in the junction, and I think I had a long discussion with Shaurya once earlier. Shaurya, am I right regarding this topic? So standing in the signal and
yes, Ji Prabhuji.
And you see a beggar and you give the beggar a 10 rupee or a 50 rupee note, and with that he buys some cigarette or alcohol, and what happens by that?
I will get the bad karma.
Yes, you have to share a part of the bad karma which he has done, because you have provided him the means to do the bad karma. He had the desire to do the bad karma, but he didn't have the means. Lord did not give him the means, but you bypassed the law of Lord and you gave him the means to perform the bad karma. So here, by this way, we all understand that performing good karmas is not a guarantee to go to heaven. And if by chance you reach heaven also, you are not going to be there forever. So now the big $1 million question, the words which we have studied, yagya dana tapachaiva atrajayam karyam eva tat, yagya dana tapachaiva pavanani manishyanam. What does this mean? It says, it gives an understanding, everyone has to do yagya, dana and tapa. But यहाँ पे यज्ञ क्या करेंगे? हवन कुंड बांधेंगे, यज्ञ करेंगे, क्या करेंगे? It's not possible, right? So what yagya we can do? We can do the yagya of Harinam Sankirtan, singing the glories of the holy name. That is yagya. Dan, yes. How is a dan supposed to be done in the mode of goodness? I've explained to you all earlier. I'll repeat it once again for all those newcomers. Charity done at the right time, at the right place, to the right person. Right time, right place and right person is called charity in the mode of goodness. Someone will feel that I have given my leftover to someone, or I've kept it in my community refrigerator, the leftovers, and I have done a good charity. No, that is not a good charity. Good charity means right time, right place, right person. If any one of the factors is missing, it's gone. For example, you go to the temple. In the temple, you're giving a brahmana. And that too, it should be a normal. It should not be Asuri hours, in the middle of the night, like a person who's coming out from the beer bar and he, catches an auto or a taxi, and he sits in the taxi, travels for some distance, and when the bill is just hardly 50 rupees, he gives him a 100 rupee note and tells him, okay, keep it. That's not charity. That's madness. He has to pay the sins of it. Or he says, okay, take this 100 rupee note and keep this bottle, alcohol bottle also, drink it. He has to bear the consequences of his drinking alcohol. The taxi driver's alcohol, he is giving the alcohol to the taxi driver to drink, and the consequences he will have to face. So charity has to be done. Tapa has to be done. And what is the tapasya we do? Yes, माता जी, हेमांगी माता जी, आप कुछ तपस्या करते हैं क्या?
प्रभु जी, मेरे हिसाब से तो तपस्या, जैसे आपने बोला था कि जैसे चाय कॉफी, मेरे लिए चाय बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। अगर मैं वही छोड़ दूं तो मेरे लिए वही तपस्या हो जाएगी।
कभी छोड़ने वाले माता जी?
छोड़ दिया प्रभु जी, पूरी तरह से नहीं, पर छोड़ा, बहुत कम हुआ प्रभु जी, अभी सिर्फ एक टाइम।
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, जैसे एक शराबी आके बोलता है नहीं मैं हफ्ते में एक ही संडे टू संडे दारू पीता हूँ, बाकी पूरा हफ्ता नहीं पीता हूँ, उसको शराबी है ना। कम पिए तो भी शराबी बोलते हैं, ज्यादा पिए तो भी शराबी बोलते हैं। तो तपस्या कब कर रहे हैं? भगवान ने बोला है, ये मैंने नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, भगवान ने बोला।
हाँ मुझे पता है, आप वही बोलते हैं।
भगवत गीता में भगवान बोल रहे हैं, 18वें अध्याय में भगवान बोल रहे हैं, यज्ञ दान तप। तप में आ गया है आपका नॉनवेज, आपका शराब, आपका टी कॉफी। याद है, ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है, शराब और टी कॉफी में ज्यादा डिफरेंस है ही नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं है। नशाबाज है। हाँ, हम बोलते ड्रग्स लेना बहुत बुरी बात है। क्या बुरी बात है? वो भी हर हफ्ते में एक बार ड्रग ले लो, क्या बुरी बात है क्या माता जी? आप मेरे को बोलिए, अगर हफ्ते में एक बार अगर एक व्यक्ति ड्रग ले ले, चरस गांजा पी ले, तो क्या बुरी बात है?
बुरी तो बात है प्रभु।
हाँ, तो फिर उसी तरह आप जो कर रहे हो वो भी बुरी बात है।
हाँ पता है।
अब आप बोलेंगे नहीं प्रभु जी मैं हफ्ते में एक ही दिन पीता हूँ, रोज पे पीती थी, रोज छोड़ दिया।
नहीं। वो बीच में एक बार मैंने आपको बोला था, छोड़ा था प्रभु जी, पर तबीयत बहुत ज्यादा खराब होने लगी फिर।
ये अच्छा, आप जब बच्चे थे तब भी चाय पीते थे क्या? जब छोटे बच्चे थे?
नहीं प्रभु जी,
तभी तबीयत फिट रहता था ना आपका?
हाँ तब रहता था।
तो सो यू विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग माता जी, कि तप बोला तो एकादशी का व्रत करना तपस्या है, हमारा बिना प्याज लहसुन का खाना खाना तपस्या है, शराब, चाय, कॉफी, कोई भी लत वाली चीज, तंबाकू, मावा, गुटखा, सब अलग अलग तरीके हैं, जहर के अलग अलग तरीके हैं। इसके लिए ये सब चीजें जब आती है तो एक सबटाइटल आता है नीचे ना टीवी में, स्मोकिंग इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ, ईटिंग टोबैको इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ। हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, हाँ मस्त है, फोटो भी बढ़िया बढ़िया है सिगरेट के बॉक्स के ऊपर, बहुत खूबसूरत फोटो है, फिर भी लोग पीते हैं। और आपको एक अच्छी बात बताता हूँ, एक राज की बात बताता हूँ। इफ यू गो टू एनी फील्ड, अगर आप चावल के खेत में चले जाओ या गेहूं के खेत में, एनी फील्ड्स यू गो फॉर एनी कल्टीवेशन, there is a boundary, there is a boundary wall kept so that the animal should not come and eat the crops and all that. But if you have a tobacco crop, guarantee you no need of putting any fields, any fences. No fences is required for tobacco fields, because even donkeys don't eat tobacco leaf. Someone is eating tobacco, is रगड़ रगड़ के खा रहा है, या he is eating mawa, high class tobacco format, he should think he's an animal worse than a donkey. Because even a donkey, forget about cows, goats, sheep and all that, even a donkey doesn't eat tobacco. That is why tobacco fields do not have any fences. The owner of the tobacco field can sleep at peace, rest at peace. No animal will eat it. So that's why tapasya is very important. Yes, Shaurya, you had something to say. Please say.
प्रभु जी, मेरे को I just wanted to clarify. मैंने पहले भी clarify किया था. 99% of the times we do this charity because of our own guilt.
Yes.
Maybe from a good point of view, मे बी वन इज दैट कि गंदा कल किया है तो आज अच्छा कर देते हैं, या फिर मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ। दूसरा सीजन ये भी है कि मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ लेकिन मेरे पास इतना है तो मेरे को गिल्ट आ रहा है कि दूसरे के पास नहीं है तो उसका कर दें अच्छा। सो 90% मतलब भगवान ने मेरे को इतना दिया है, दूसरे के पास आज नहीं है, मेरे सामने वो आधा नंगा खड़ा हुआ है, पैसे खाना मांग रहा है, तो इसलिए आउट ऑफ गिल्ट कर देते हैं।
नहीं, to do is not good, to give money is not, I mean it's not bad, you can do it. If someone comes in really in pathetic condition in case of need, to give him is not at all wrong or not at all bad. The problem is, I'll explain that in little detail.
एक और चीज थी प्रभु जी, एक और चीज
बोलिए।
जैसे कल मैंने अपने घर के नीचे देखा था एक मर्सिडीज गाड़ी बहुत बड़ी आकर रुकी और उसने अपना डिक्की खोली और उसने काफी सारा सामान 2 लोगों को दिया। ओके, उसके बाद देने के बाद भी जिसने लिया उसको और भी भूख थी, उसने 4 लोग को और बुलाया, 4 लोग और मांगने लगे और मर्सिडीज गाड़ी अल्टीमेटली भाग गई। हैविंग सेड दैट, अगर मेरे को दान ही करना है तो अगर मैं जैसे इस्कॉन में जैसे दान देते हैं, वो खाना देते हैं लोगों को, तो इज इट सेफ? बिकॉज मैं ऐसी जगह दे रहा हूं जहां पे मुझे पता है कि मेरा पैसा ठीक यूज होगा। राइट।
See, you have to understand this in a more logical manner. The point what you said, 2 points. Point first, what you mentioned was many people try to so to say nullify their bad activities by doing a good activity. Many people have got this habit. चलो मैं बुरा काम करता हूँ, उसके लिए मुझे पाप मिलने वाले हैं, उसको नलीफाई क्यों ना करूं, और आई विल इरेडिकेट इट. इट्स लाइक credit and debit. Okay, I am in debit of 100 points, let me credit few points so that at least my debit level comes down. Remember one thing, 1 glass of sugar water and 1 glass of bitter karele ka juice, bitter gourd juice, if you mix both, you land up with a mixed karma reaction. And what is a classic example of that? A dog in Mercedes. My teacher used to always give this example. A dog in Mercedes. For the bad karmas, he's born as a dog. A human being or any soul, when he does a good activity, he is to be blessed for that. At the same time, he is supposed to be punished for his bad activities. So if I land up doing bad activities, for that, I may be given a dog's birth, but I'll end up doing simultaneously some good activities. So I am given a dog in Mercedes. I go to a spa, might be where a common man cannot even think of affording that spa. I may have a servant exclusively for me. I may have some best quality food and other things arranged for myself. But a dog's life is always a dog's life. It's a cursed life. I know the Shastra says, goes ahead, one step ahead, to mention that sometimes the street dog is more happier than a dog in Mercedes. You know how? Dogs do not have logical understanding that he's moving in a 1 crore car, he's moving, he's wearing, he's going to a spa which is priceless. The dog doesn't know anything of that sort. Whether you give him a ordinary bone or you give him some nice imported bone, it doesn't make any difference to the dog. But the dog will be, at the heart of heart, cursing you at times. Because when you want to go for a stroll, is it necessary the dog wants to go for a stroll that time? Or when the dog wants to go for a stroll, it's coming and telling you, and you say, no, it's my office time now, I can't. It's trying to pull you, pull your dress, pull your shirt, pull your hand. But you say, no, I've got my time. This means what? That's what we call as dog's life. And to add to that, the dog will seeing the roadside dog enjoying its whims and pleasures. I hope you understand what I'm saying. But this fellow, he has to live, enjoy. He can enjoy when his master wishes. Still worst. It's a golden cage. You are caged in a golden cage. A cage is a cage, whether it's golden, diamond, or iron. A cage is always a cage. So sometimes that type of birth a person gets, but actually those type of birth is painful for a person. Are you getting this, Shaurya? So there's so many factors when why acharyas give these type of understandings. It's fact. You have to put yourself in the gloves of that animal and think. For you, it may be, you know, I'm wearing an Apple Watch, maybe a brand. You may be, you know, if your friends will feel elated, oh, he's wearing a very costly brand. But if you put that watch in that dog's hand, you put a nice Ray-Ban goggles on the dog's eyes, you think the other dogs are going to envy. Oh my God, you're wearing a branded watch, you're wearing a branded goggles. That's foolishness, madness. So the law of karma is actually making a fool of you. And what you incur in the end, in the gross total, is more difficult. For a materialistic platform, taking care of an animal, taking care of this is very good. We have to. In fact, Shastra says we should not be, you know, painful, or should not give any pain to any animal or for any living being for that instant. Be it free. We should not cut trees in this, you know, like the way right now deforestation and all is happening. We are not supposed to cut a tree. We are not supposed to, you know, trouble any human being, any living being, be it be an ant, be it be an ant, be it be an elephant. All are equal. We are also like it doesn't give me a right to trouble my neighbor. What right does it give me to trouble an animal for that instant? So Shastra is teaching us to be good to all by default. You don't have to have a special logo on your chest. No, I am good to animals. No, you are by default setting. A human being is so intelligent, he is supposed to be good to all. Be it be a plant, be it be, you know, beings, other beings, he has to be good to all. But Shastra gives two options. Either you can stay in this level, or there's one more level which is higher. And what is that higher level? That higher level is trying to understand that I am a soul. I want to get out of the cycle of birth and death. I don't want to take birth again. Might be like King Mriga, a lizard's life is waiting for me. What if I get a next birth of a lizard in some dark well, goofing around for hundreds of years? What will I do? Law of karma is very, very intricate. And this is what we learned from the story of King Mriga, that a person, if he is thinking that मैं good कार्य करके मेरे बुरे कार्य को न्यूट्रलाइज करूंगा, वो भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. अगर आप सोच रहे हो मैं अच्छा कार्य करूंगा तो मैं स्वर्ग जाऊंगा, तो आप स्मॉल बेनिफिट्स देख रहे हो, शॉर्ट टर्म रिटर्न्स देख रहे हो, लॉन्ग टर्म रिटर्न्स नहीं देख रहे हो. And last but not the least, then how do we do these activities? Sir, you will say, Prabhuji, you are telling us at one end that I am supposed to do yagya, dan and tapa, and the other end you are making me afraid. You are giving me all the pros and cons, like if I do this, if I give 10 rupee charity, and with that if the fellow smokes or drinks or does any nonsense, I will have to bear the consequences of it. मतलब आगे भी मौत पीछे भी खाई, मतलब क्या करूं तो क्या करूं, आगे कुआं पीछे खाई, वो वाली सिचुएशन में मैं अटका हूं. So how do I solve this problem? So the solution for this problem is, as mentioned earlier, when like Shaurya asked me a question, is it safe for me to give donation in organizations which are like ISKCON, wherein they are giving food for life and all that? Yes, this comes as a part of akarma. हम लोग generally दो ही कर्म जानते हैं, कर्म, vikarma. Karma means good karmas are called as karmas. Vikarma means bad karmas are called as vikarma. And last but not the least, there is something called as akarma, which concept has been explained only and only in the Bhagavad Gita. And what does akarma means? Akarma means neutral karmas. Good karmas will take you to heaven, vikarmas will take you to hell, and akarma will take you back to Godhead. You will not incur more karmas. If you have little karma also left, you will have to take birth to either enjoy or suffer it. या तो enjoy या तो suffer, दोनों के लिए you will have to take birth again. So अगर जन्म मृत्यु के चक्कर से भाग निकलना चाहते हो, what is generally called as liberation. Liberation means getting out of the cycle of birth and death. Then you are entitled to go back to Godhead. So the only way by which one person can go back to Godhead is by performing a karma. या तो आप कर्म के चक्कर में फंसे तो आपकी कहानी भी किंग नृगा की जैसे हो सकती है. You may think that you are doing a good karma, but finally you may land up in the process of doing a good karma, you may land up doing a bad karma unknowingly. And the punishment for a bad karma, though little, is more dangerous than all the results or good results of enjoying a good karma. Okay, with this, I would like to end today's story session. Now, I would like to take questions from those who are having any doubts and questions. Yes, Shraddha Mataji, you'll have to mute yourself. You unmuted yourself. Yes, anybody has got any doubts, questions, or any more clarifications can ask me.
प्रभु जी.
Yes, Mataji.
मतलब कोई ह्यूमन जो होता है जिसे कोई कर्म ऊपर नीचे हो जाए तो उसे मतलब मान लो अगले जन्म में
एक मिनट कर्म ऊपर नीचे हो जाए. एक तो अभी मैंने बताया कि कर्म ऊपर नीचे हो तो नहीं सकते, ओके, ब्लड प्रेशर तो है नहीं ऊपर नीचे होने के लिए. कर्म तो हम खुद कर रहे हैं.
हम कर रहे हैं.
So अगर वो अपने ये अपने एक मिनट लेट मी कंप्लीट दिस. में अभी आपने टॉपिक निकाला तो लेट मी कंप्लीट दैट. तो कर्म जो है वो आपका चॉइस के ऊपर है, कोई आपके ऊपर जबरदस्ती नहीं है. चाहे वो अच्छा कर्म हो या बुरा कर्म हो, दोनों आपका ऑप्शन है, चॉइस है, कोई जबरदस्ती नहीं है. देयर इज नो फोर्स फॉर यू टू डू either a good karma or a bad karma. That is the best part of a human life. Now ask your question.
नहीं प्रभु जी, मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या है, मान लो किसी को कुत्ते या बिल्ली या लिजर्ड वैसा जन्म मिल भी जाए, तो क्या उसे याद रहता है कि उसने अगले जन्म में ऐसे ऐसे कर्म किए थे, इसके लिए उसे ये जन्म मिला है करके?
नहीं, शास्त्र doesn't give any evidence of this. कुछ रेयर एक्सपीरियंस है, वो मैं आपको जड़ भरत का स्टोरी बताऊंगा, तब मैं उसको समझाऊंगा. बट टेक्निकली आपको याद है आप गए जन्म में क्या थे? मुझे याद है मैं गए जन्म में क्या था.
नहीं प्रभु जी.
सोचो, अगर याद आ जाए, आप बहुत बड़े करोड़पति थे, आपका अमेरिका में 200 करोड़ का बिजनेस था, या दुबई में आपके 10-15 कुएं थे तेल के, जो अभी भी भरे हुए हैं, सूखे नहीं हैं, और साथ ही साथ आपके गए जन्म के पति, गए जन्म के बच्चे, गए जन्म के परिवार वाले सब याद आ जाएं, तो क्या आप सुखी रह सकेंगे? माता जी, जिंदगी में एक बार कई बार हमारे साथ कुछ खराब हो जाता है. समवेयर इन योर लाइफ यू हैव अ बैड एक्सपीरियंस, यू नो, समवन टेल्स यू सम वर्ड, टिल डेथ यू डोंट फॉरगेट दैट. You know, that topic hinders you, it hits you back. You know, you may forget it with time, but you know, the minute you go to that wedding, you see that person, you remember all that what that person had told you 20 years before. So imagine if God gives you memory of your last birth, how horrible your life would be. Just imagine you had so much of wealth and now your son is wasting all that money, or your daughter is wasting all that money, how you would feel. Now you'll see this birth, your husband is dancing with someone else, how you would feel. So it's good that God erases our memory of the past. Okay, Mataji, is it clear? And ऐसे भी याद करके क्या रहोगे? क्या भक्ति करना है तो भक्ति करो, What is the use of remembering all that?
नहीं प्रभु जी, वो एनिमल्स की मैं बात कर रही हूँ.
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, अगर एनिमल को याद भी रहा, what is the use? Today what you're talking about animal, humans. How many times you have been born as a human being? Might be in Switzerland, might be in Africa, might be आप एक बार आप हफ्सी भी रह के घूमते रहेंगे, एक बार मैं हफ्सी रहा रहूँगा, एक बार मैं एक गोरा अमेरिकन रहा रहूँगा, एक बार एक चाइनीज भी रहा रहूँगा. How many births we have all transferred through billions and trillions of life, and then finally we get a human birth, and in that human birth also we may sometimes be born in India, sometimes in Pakistan, sometimes in Africa, sometimes in Iceland. So what's the big deal? Final crux of Bhagavad Gita is you never die. Even if you're getting liberated, you don't die there also. Your existence still remains. Your existence still remains. But the existence now is you are a servant of the Lord. Now our existence is we are the boss of the Lord. We can control everything. That's our feeling. I'd put a message in the group, if you remember, the vaccine man who died. What does that message signify? What was the actual significance of that message? You know, people generally take, after the vaccine is over, they take a photo. Yes, yes, like this. What does this mean? Are you become immortal? क्या आप अमर हो गए हो? क्या मौत कभी आएगी नहीं आपको? शायद कोरोना से ना आए, मगर एक ना एक दिन मौत तो आनी ही है. You may die by n number of reasons. So, what does this mean? Even that vaccine man has death, and he had death by that very vaccine which he was preparing for the disease. So what to talk about you and me? So even our death is waiting. All of us are, inching towards death every second. If you take a scale from 0 to 100, let's say we are all going to stay for 100 years. Let's say, for hypothetically, we are inching every second towards death. Every day is gone. One day the slide has moved closer towards death. Our process of death starts the very day we are born. And I know n number of old people, my own relatives, who are above 90, pathetic condition they are living, and they are praying, why doesn't death come? Young people are dying and we are not dying. Old people, my own relatives. And what's the big deal? They can't see, they can't walk. Nothing is possible by them. For food also, they have to wait. Someone gives them food. If someone gives them water, they get water. It's like that. But what's the problem? Whole life, they did not do devotion. Had they done devotion, most of the people die out of loneliness. Why that loneliness is there? It's not a problem. Loneliness is there because one has not taken up the actual friend of his life, and that is God. Rest all relatives are coming and going. Friends come and go in your life. Your husband and your wife, one day your wife is going to die, one day your husband is going to die. So you all are going to get separated from all of us. One day I'm going to die, I'm going to be separated from my wife, from my children. Every day I'm going to get separated. So what is the actual goal of life? The crux of life is we have to get related to God. We want to get related to everyone, but not to God. That is where the problem lies. Okay, anybody else got any other doubts, questions? Okay, fine then. Meet next Sunday, same timing at 11 o'clock. We'll meet and we'll discuss some other story from the Bhagavatam series. Okay, till then, Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.
Hare